Need a quick and free way to transfer files between your devices without using the cloud? In this video, I'll show you how to download and install LocalSend on a Windows computer. LocalSend is a free open-source app that lets you send files between devices connected to the same local network. It works with Windows, Android, Mac OS, Linux, and iPhone, making it a convenient alternative to Bluetooth or cloud storage. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official LocalSend website. From the home page, find the Download section and choose the Windows version. You'll see two options, an installer, exe, and a portable zip file. In this video, I'll go with the exe installer version. Once the installer is finished downloading, open the file. The setup wizard will open, click Run. After clicking Run, you can choose Install for all users or For me only. I choose Install for all users, the recommended option. If Windows asks for permission to make changes to your device, click Yes to continue. After this, you can choose the location where LocalSend will be installed. You can change it if you want, or just click Next to continue with the default location. After that, you can choose whether to create a desktop shortcut, then click Next to continue. When everything is done, click Install on the following screen to start the installation process. When it's finished, click Finish. There is an option to launch LocalSend automatically. Leave it checked so the app opens right away. The first time you open LocalSend, Windows may display a firewall prompt. Select Allow Access so the app can discover other devices on your local network. Without this permission, sending and receiving files may not work correctly. After the app opens, you'll see your device listed and LocalSend is ready to use. You can customize your device name or other settings later if needed. That's all there is to it. You've successfully downloaded and installed LocalSend on your Windows PC, and you're ready to start sharing files with other devices on the same network. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope it helped you get LocalSend set up on your Windows PC. I'll see you again in the next video.